So, got home from work today to find Sam has let himself in from the outside into the house. This is the destruction. There's Sam, very happy with himself. Down the stairs. Not sure what this is yet. I don't know what that is. Never seen that before. I don't even know what it is. Something, I don't know. Don't know what it is. In here. Yeah, so I don't know, just mud stuff. A bit more mud on the carpet there. Bit there. He's ordered Domino's in as well for himself and all that. I don't know what deal he got. I should have to check, but hopefully he got some money off one rather than just buy, without a voucher code. Bit more destruction here. The washing line's dead. Some more clothes. Like he's killed an animal as well. There's the door open he got in. Some Frank's hot wings. So he's at some chicken bones, which is good. So good, they're good for dogs. So yeah.